Mody AI car modification, quite a cool app specifically designed around, AI modifying of the cars. There are some room AI apps like home AI, hair AI, whatever. This is about cars. One of the top apps to do like AI car customizations, to get some ideas for like professional grade AI designs, car tuning styles, 3D car renders, before and after view, garage builder, trending car mods, social sharing. So popular Mody AI styles, GDM and stance builds, American muscle mods, off-road and 404 tuning, VIP and luxury car customization, classic resto mods and retro styles, futuristic and cyberpunk cars. So why choose Mody AI? Unlike generic car editing apps, Mody AI uses AI technology for car design and tuning. Whether you're planning real modification or just experimenting, Mody is your go-to car tuning app for inspiration. So here you can just see how it looks like, and then you can then just see it just like that. So that's what you can get. Oh, there is some discount, bill $30 per year. Then you can just get some car image, or for example, we have the car, live edit, and then sample cars, for example, whatever, custom prompt, describe your modification. So for example, then you can just transfer this. And then continue. And then you can just tap to view your modified car. Unfortunately, then you need to upgrade. And then you need to change, there are some custom small edits, change car color, customize your rims design, spoiler, underground upholstery, AI edits. So all of the things. And then there is garage, where you can just see you need to upgrade. Oh, this actually, they're showing me that I can generate one result for free. There's special discount. Sounds. And you can delete your account. I'm just looking, maybe there is some kind of promo codes or referral codes. Nope. There is lifetime for $70, 1 year for 40, 1 week for 7. And that's just what you have. All live edits. And then, you can see that you can get one for free. And then you can see the prompt and you can see how this looks like. Pretty cool, right? And of course, you can just add photo of your own car and then just play with it. And then you can do further customizations. You can see the full screen before, after. And so that's kind of the idea in here.